Hi guys, welcome to 96 Rev. Today we are going to clean the sprocket area. So I'm unscrewing it. So this is the bolt. This is the muck you can see here and all the grease that have accumulated over the time. So I am going to clean this area today. I'm going to clean all this area today. I have taken a wooden stick and just like this I'm clearing this muck, and I have taken a paper below it and it will fall on that. It will not come out very easily, so you have to give it some time and rub continuously for a while. So now we are removing the muck which is near to the sprocket, and you can see all the muck coming out. Now we will be using some cloth to clean it further. This is how after cleaning a bit it looks like. This is the plate after cleaning. You can see the general sprocket area. It also looks clean, and all the muck it's here. With the help of this toothbrush and with the help of this stick, now we will do the chain cleaning and lubing, and then we will close this. We are done with chain cleaning and lubing now, with cleaning of this sprocket area as well today. So good day today. Thanks for watching and follow 96 Rev.